This is G Auntie's Kitchen. Let's make some kelewele, Ghana spicy fried plantain, ripe plantain, that is it. So let's go through what you'll be using. Some onions, some cloves, peppercorn, ginger, bit of garlic, white pepper, ground pepper, salt, and of course ripe plantain. You could always adjust to however you peel the plantain. I'm cutting it into two this way. Then I'll take one half and I'll cut it slant. As you can see, I've already cut up some of the plantain. For the second half, I'll cut it into two again. This way, I'll be cutting smaller pieces. It will be smaller than the first one I cut. All cut up, I want to add the dry spices, white pepper, ground pepper, and salt. Give it a good mix, and then I'll put it inside the plantain. When that is done, I'll give it a good toss, and then I'll set it aside. I'm going to grind the onions and the other spices, cloves. You could use a blender. I'm using a chopper. You could add some water to make a paste. To the half spiced plantain, I'll add the mix of the onions and the other spices. Give it a good mix, and then I'll set it aside for like 15 minutes to marinate. It is well marinated. I'm going to fry in hot oil. I'm going to deep fry it in hot oil. Experts have said not to stir it, but it seems I have some strips that are lumped together. I'm going to leave it for now and allow it to set, or so to say, stick to it. It is setting well. The ingredients are getting onto it, so I'm trying to separate. I've separated it without scattering it. All in all, the kelewele is doing fine. It's done. Like all fried foods, it becomes darker when you remove it from heat, and all the spices are intact, or let's say most of the spices are intact. As you can see from this, see the pepper seeds and all the other spices. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe if you haven't.